Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Over on my stories, you guys really love when I talk about our house and what it's like living in LA. So I thought this video would be just an everyday vlog of what our lives are like in LA. So I thought I would show you what we eat, what we're doing to set up our place and all that stuff. There won't be too much of a makeup element in this video except for the fact that it is sponsored by Laura Mercier. So I'm going to be showing you their newest mascara and I'll probably start with that, shall I? I'm in my PJs right now. Seba's dressed. He got up early actually. Might put some clothes on and then show you the mascara and then get on to the day. Shall we? That's my closet. Okay. I'm dressed. Just got sweatpants on and a singlet top. I'm gonna wash this, but my PJ short pants are still fresh, so I'm gonna put them under my pillow. Welcome to my bathroom. Let me just figure out how to set you up in here and we'll talk about the mascara. Okay, I've got this set up. Actually, I'll move you over slightly. Isn't Seba great? He's put these lights here for me, so it's nice and bright. And I'm just gonna put my hair up again because it was getting a bit wild. This scrunchie is a silk scrunchie, guys. This is what I like to use when I'm at home because it's less damaging to your hair. Look at that, cute. So this is the product here, guys. It is the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara by Laura Mercier. And if you actually look at the bristles, this is my favorite type of brush and you'd know that by now. It's got the soft, delicate bristles, but it's helixed, if you can see that, so they twist. And they did tell me that the bristles are actually hollow. You can see that the bristles are very delicate, which I think is a lot better than hard bristle brushes. The bristles can like flex and move in amongst my lashes, which I think is better. It's gonna help me prevent smudging, flaking, and clumps. So I feel like let's just do it. It's very black mascara. You're gonna see it immediately like do its magic. So I kind of twist as I go so that I get the most use out of the helix shape brush. I mean, look at the difference. And that's one coat. Okay, second coat. It has a really nice glossy black finish, super voluminous. Gotta get those edge ones. Oh my god. Do I want any more volume? You know, sometimes I feel like you can overdo mascara, so I really have to hold myself back sometimes. Whoa. So this, let me just read from the information they've given me. They have Noir de Noir pigments and they're glossy polymers that coat the intense black particles to ensure the even release of color and shine with a vibrant, pure color payoff. Panoramic fanned out lashes for a wide-eyed wow effect. Well, there you go. I mean, that's pretty intense. So I'm gonna do the other eye. Guys, this mascara is available at Sephora or at lauramercier.com. I hate doing this eye. This eye is the bane of my existence. The lashes or face, whichever way they want. I feel like I say that in every video. Sebastian ordered food and I can smell it. So I'm like, oh, I need to eat. That lash is just too long in there. I have one eyelash that like grew too long. It looks amazing. Should I put on the bottom lashes too? I guess I should. So there we have it. Super long, fanned out, glossy black lashes. If you get the chance, definitely check out the Caviar Volume Mascara. It's available at Sephora or at lauramercier.com. Okay. I'm gonna leave that right here because I think it's gonna become my new everyday mascara. Once again, thank you Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna continue on my day now, and if you're interested to see how the mascara looks at the very end of my day, as in like at least 12 hours from now, I don't know when I'll be finished like filming this vlog, but whenever it is finished, you can check in and see how it wore. Dude, that's intense. Sebi? Yeah. You wanna come eat the food? I can see it's here. Normally we don't order takeaway, but because we are like going away, we don't want to go grocery shopping because the food is just going to go up. We're not going to be back here till the very end of May. So I'm just going to finish this and then we're going to get to doing some chores. I like our dryer. It's like hidden. Our washer and dryer, sorry. Okay, now I've got to go fold the washing that we did yesterday. It's in my room. Sorry, our room. Our room. Okay, I'm gonna pack all this stuff away into my closet now. See, we're still living out of our suitcase in some ways.
Where's the camera?
Right where your legs are.
Oh shit.
Sebastian almost ruined my vlog.
Let me do it.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. So now guys, I want to go to the store because I need to get a way to organize all my skincare. Because if I want to get anything out of the cupboard, I have to put my arm like all the way in and it might cause things to fall. So I want to get little containers so that I can grab the containers out and then find what I'm looking for. So yeah, we're gonna go to the shops now. Do you want to come along? Because you don't really have a choice, you're coming. Babe, will you help me measure the cupboards?
Yeah, 17.5 by 13.
17 by 13. It's a good space saver. There are a lot of good things. This store is big. I love it. I want to do a container haul. Sebastian and I are back. I had an amazing time. I could have been there for a lot longer, but Sebastian was definitely getting grumpy. He was so mad, guys.
She lost her phone. Can you believe she actually lost her phone?
I always lose my phone.
You know where she put it? In a container.
These are some of Sebastian's containers. He got some things to organize, like our cords and whatnot. And then this is for my palettes.
Made you an espresso, babe.
Oh, thanks.
There you go.
Thank you, baby. So, yeah, I got these for my palettes, and then all of these taupe things are jewelry organizers. This is a shelf divider, as you can see, is a really good way to organize your towels, so you can stack them up and maximize the space in your linen closet. So I can't wait to try them. I've had my eye on those for ages. And then this is for the makeup organization. I have these in my pantry. They spin, so you can have things in there, and then when you need whatever you need from the back, you spin it around. These are so I'd put the products in, I can pull them out. So you'll see what I get up to, but I'm gonna try and do my beauty cabinet today. Check this out. Sebastian always ends up saving these from our takeout, and now it's all organized. You're welcome, Seba. Okay, first thing I want to do is organize this closet. So this is our linen closet and it's just so untidy. So I'm gonna organize this and let's see how we go. Okay, so I've organized it. We've got towels up there, sheets down there. These are our spare sheets for our bed. They're spare pillowcases because I actually like to change my pillowcases twice as much as I change my sheets. Right in there is what I have to start organizing now. It's gonna look way neater. So I'll come back and show you what it's looking like, because as you can see, nothing is really organized. It's just sort of sitting there on the shelf and I can't reach in easily. So I'm gonna have a hand at organizing things. Okay, I'm finished. I feel like it doesn't actually look as neat as it actually is. It's much more organized now. Even there, like I took all of the masks out of their packet so that there was more space to fit them. Put everything in these bins so that I can kind of pull things out. Even down there with my masks, I've got optimum space usage, and that is just so pretty, my body oils. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I do need to get more bins. Oh my god, I especially love this. Look, all my tools. That is actually really cool. This is probably my favorite part of it because tools are so messy, but that's actually quite a good way to keep them, I think. Don't you think? Whew, guys, I'm so tired from organizing. Okay, now I want to organize my jewelry because I bought those jewelry boxes. So I'm gonna do that now. Oh, I can't see any of my glasses. These are the stackable jewelry boxes that I bought. That is something else. That is for here. Oh, so satisfying. So yeah, I'll just put some of this jewelry in here for now. Okay, that's what it looks like. You can purchase lids for it that will sit smoothly over the top and keep it joined together like one large piece. They didn't have any in stock in the shade that I bought. They did have wood ones, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if they have others on their website. So that way when you want something, you just kind of can take it off like this. So yeah, I just think it's quite versatile and much more chic than what I used to have. But I'm definitely not gonna leave it there. I still want it to be put away or somewhere a little bit out of the way. I'll figure it out. Okay guys, so a lot of the organizing is done and that is fun, but honestly tiring. I swear I was in there like 4 hours doing all those things, but it's really satisfying and it is what I like to do. And I like to do that in the daytime because around 2 p.m. or I think 3 p.m. is when I start to get emails from my manager in Australia, because obviously I get most of my work from Australia. That's where I guess have the biggest following. So a lot of my clients are over there in Oz and I've already got like 10 emails from her. So I'm gonna start replying to those and catching up on all the emails that I got today while I was doing all that stuff and shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna be here for quite a while. Sebastian's out with his friends now, so I'm gonna cook. By the time he gets back, he might be hungry. And then I think I'm gonna try on some clothes that I ordered. I don't remember if I showed you that this morning. And then I've got to edit a video, but it's a quick video, so it shouldn't take long. Okay guys, Sebastian is back and I finally finished all my emails. I think it's actually probably too late to cook now. It's all of a sudden like 9 p.m. So I'm just gonna order, and as well, I have a huge event tomorrow, like a really important event and vlog to film from early in the morning. So Sebastian just reckons that I should order something. So I think I'm gonna order something from his phone. And then, yeah, come in here and see what I did, Seba.
Let's take a look.
And honestly, it probably won't look like much, but I think I did a really good job.
Wow, that's actually very neat.
Yeah. And like I mean, that looks messy, but that's because there's so much in there. And then, I mean, didn't do anything there. But I have this here, hiding. This is where I put the jewelry, guys. I'm just hiding it until I figure out, you know, where I'm gonna put it. Because I bought this nice basket, which will put like, I don't know, pillows in or something. And that's just gonna hide my jewelry for now. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I received, right?
What is it? A dress? Whoa, actually, where do your titties go?
Here. See, it looked really cute on the girl. And if you had like a jacket, like a denim jacket, I thought it would be like sexy and cute. I really wanted these for the festival and I ordered them and then they canceled my order because they sold out. Oh, so cute. Oh my God, they're so effing cute. I love them. I'm so glad I got them. And they go really good with my sweatpants.
Actually, they really do.
So the next thing we're gonna do is get a mirror, and I think it needs to go here. So that I can walk out from my wardrobe, check myself out, and so that Seba can get a good look at himself in the mornings. Because this is his side of the bed, if you were curious.
Put the dress on, babe.
Okay, face the camera down. Isn't it cute?
Shows a lot of skin. I like it.
Sometimes you just want that.
I like it. Yep.
Do you see what I mean?
Yep.
Bella Hadid would wear this. I keep falling. Okay guys, I've done quite a lot today and I still have to edit. I'm just waiting for my food to be delivered, and in the meantime I'm gonna take off my makeup and I'm going to have a shower. So let's check in on the eyelashes. Whoa. Still super black. Can you see that? Has not smudged anywhere. Anyway, I'm really impressed. So thank you, Laura Mercier, for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna have a shower now, and then I'm gonna get my food and go to bed. Might show you my food, depends how yummy it is. So I'm just gonna devour this and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna do my skincare first and then go to bed and do my work because I've got to edit still. Okay guys, it's bedtime, my favorite time of day. I've got my onesie on because I put my fake tan on. I don't want to dirty my sheets. This is how I sleep when I have fake tan on. Oh my gosh. This doona is the best thing ever. So on my bedside, I have my glasses, my phone, my water. Guys, I must have this on me at all times. I've drunk 3 of them already today. I really like to drink a lot of water. Oh my god, why do I get so puffed just drinking water? I should have went to the gym today, but I didn't. There was no time. Even now it's after midnight and I'm gonna have to edit now, so. Okay guys, well I'm gonna get to work and do my editing. I feel like this is where I should say goodbye to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'm really enjoying doing them because I love to set my house up and you guys really like following that. So yeah. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.